Hey, crypto gurus, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that's been getting a lot of attention lately: BingX's copy trading feature. If you're someone who's looking to get involved in cryptocurrency trading, but don't know where to start, or maybe you're looking for a more passive way to earn, then this video is definitely for you. In this video, we're going to break down everything you need to know about BingX's copy trading, including how it works, the pros and cons, and whether it's really the best platform for beginners. We'll also explore the idea of passive income through crypto and see if BingX could be your ticket to that. I'll also share my personal thoughts and experiences with this feature so that you get the most well-rounded review possible. So let's jump right in. What is BingX copy trading? Before we dive into the pros and cons, let's first understand what copy trading actually is. Copy trading, also known as social trading, allows you to copy the trades of successful traders. If you're new to crypto or trading in general, this can be a fantastic way to learn while also potentially making a profit. BingX offers this feature in a really user-friendly way. You can browse through a list of experienced traders, view their past performance, and decide to copy their trades with just a few clicks. Essentially, you're letting someone else do the heavy lifting while you sit back and hopefully enjoy the profits. It's like outsourcing your trading, which is why it's especially appealing for beginners or people who don't have the time to dive deep into the charts themselves. Now, you might be asking, is it really that simple? The short answer is yes, but as with anything in the crypto world, there are some nuances to consider. So let's break down the advantages and disadvantages. The pros of BingX copy trading. 1. Great for beginners. If you're a beginner, one of the most intimidating aspects of crypto trading is simply figuring out where to start. What coin should you invest in? How much should you invest? Should you trade in short bursts or long-term holds? BingX makes this easier by letting you copy the strategies of seasoned traders. This gives you an easy entry point into the world of crypto without having to spend hours learning all the technical jargon and strategies. Additionally, you get to observe how successful traders make their decisions, which can teach you a lot about the market and trading patterns. It's essentially like having a mentor guiding you without paying the high price for one-on-one consultations. 2. Passive income potential. One of the main draws of copy trading is the potential for passive income. If you've ever dreamed of making money while you sleep, this could be your chance. Once you've selected the right trader to copy, your funds are automatically used to replicate their trades. If they make a profit, you make a profit. It's a great way to start earning without needing to be glued to your screen every second of the day. 3. Wide selection of traders. BingX gives you a wide array of traders to choose from. You can filter traders based on their performance, risk level, and trading strategy. Whether you're looking for someone who has a conservative, low-risk approach or a high-risk, high-reward strategy, there's a trader for you. This diversity allows you to tailor your copy trading experience to your risk appetite and investment goals. For transparency, BingX offers detailed performance data for each trader, including their win rate, total profit, and the type of assets they trade. This level of transparency helps you make an informed decision about who you want to follow. Unlike some other copy trading platforms, BingX makes it easy to evaluate a trader's track record before putting your money behind them. 5. Low barrier to entry. BingX allows you to start copy trading with a relatively small investment. This makes it accessible for people who are just getting started or don't want to commit large sums of money upfront. You can start small and scale up as you get more comfortable with the platform and the market. The cons of BingX copy trading. 1. Risk of loss. As much as it can be tempting to think of copy trading as a set-it-and-forget-it method for making money, you still need to remember that there's risk involved. Just because a trader has a good track record doesn't guarantee future success. The crypto market is volatile, and even the best traders can experience losses. It's important to understand that no trader, no matter how experienced, can consistently predict market movements with 100% accuracy. To over-reliance on others, While copy trading can be a great way to make passive income, it can also lead to an over-reliance on other traders. You're putting your trust in someone else's hands, which can feel a bit disempowering if you're looking to gain more control over your own investment strategy. If you're interested in eventually becoming a self-sufficient trader, you might find yourself feeling stuck in the copying phase. 3. Limited control over your trades. When you copy someone's trades, you're essentially relinquishing control. While you can stop copying someone at any time or adjust your settings, you're still bound by the decisions of the trader you've chosen. This lack of control can be frustrating if you have a specific strategy in mind or want to make adjustments based on your own analysis of the market. 4. Not suitable for everyone. Copy trading is not a one-size-fits-all solution. Some people may prefer to take a hands-on approach to crypto trading, researching coins, and making decisions based on their own analysis. For those individuals, copy trading might feel like a shortcut that doesn't align with their investment philosophy. Personal experience and takeaways. As someone who's been involved in crypto for a while now, I can tell you that copy trading can be a solid way to dip your toes into the market if you're a beginner. It's not a magic formula, and you still need to be aware of the risks involved. However, I've had some success with it, especially when I was just starting out. I learned a lot by watching how experienced traders think and act during market movements. So, is BingX Copy Trading the best option for beginners or passive income? In my opinion, it's a solid choice. It offers an easy entry point into crypto, with the potential for passive income and a transparent way to evaluate traders. However, it's not without its downsides. You still need to be aware of the risks, and you shouldn't depend on others for your investment decisions in the long run. If you're looking to get started with crypto trading without all the complexity, I'd definitely recommend giving BingX a try. You can start small, experiment with different traders, and see if it's something that fits your risk tolerance and financial goals. If you're interested in signing up and trying out BingX's copy trading, make sure to check out the links in the description and video comments below. They'll take you to the platform, and who knows, you might just find a trader that takes you to the next level. Thanks for watching, Crypto Gurus. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more crypto tips, and I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to use the links below to get started with BingX and start your journey with copy trading. Your crypto future could be just a few clicks away.